y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I am roasting up my grapefruit stuffed roasted chicken, and I had to hop on here real quick in the middle of roasting it at that, just to share with you how good it is and how I do this. So I'm actually doing a double recipe. I usually just do one whole chicken, but I'm gonna make some really great chicken salad later this week with the other chicken, and maybe a third meal out of it. We'll see how much we eat tonight, but 2 chickens, one for dinner tonight and one for meals later on. And what I do is I get a whole chicken and I take 2 grapefruits and I juice the grapefruits, put it into a little measuring cup, set it aside, and then one of the grapefruits, I half it and I stuff a half a grapefruit in each one of these chickens. And then I take an onion and I stuff a half an onion in each one. And I season the top of it differently every time. Sometimes it's just, I always put olive oil on top, and then sometimes I do just simple garlic, salt, and pepper. This time I actually used a garlic and onion seasoning blend that I had in my pantry that needed to be used, just a rub, and seasoned it with that. You could do any seasoning that you like whatsoever that you think would taste good with the grapefruit and the onion, but I haven't really met a seasoning that didn't taste good. Sometimes one of my favorites is barbecue seasoning with the grapefruit and the onion. Just that combination, so good. And again, just simple garlic, salt, and pepper, or salt, pepper, and garlic powder is delicious. The secret is this grapefruit juice and the grapefruit inside of it. So once I get it stuffed with the grapefruit and the onion, then I put it into the oven on 350 degrees and I cook it for 30 minutes. And then I take it out of the oven and I begin basting it with the juice from 2 large grapefruits. Baste it every 30 minutes, and I cook it for an additional 90 minutes after that initial 30. So it cooks for 120 minutes in total. And I also like to put vegetables inside. So usually I'd put carrots and potatoes inside of here, but since I'm cooking two whole chickens right now, I didn't have the room for the potatoes. So I don't know if you can see it, kind of lean it over here a little bit. So I've got the carrots nestled in here, but just didn't have the room for the potatoes, so I'm gonna cook some other sides on the side. But that's what it's looking like so far. I'll come back when it's done and show you what it looks like. And I'll post the recipe on the blog too, so you'll have a printable version of it, and you'll have you can look at it and know the exact measurements, other than me just sitting here blabbing, telling you, oh, this is what I did real quick. I'm so excited. But I'll be back in a little bit once my chicken is done. And so I am just basting this chicken with the grapefruit juice of about every 30 minutes until the chicken is done. All right, it is out of the oven. It is smelling delicious. I'm so ready to eat, but it needs to cool down because otherwise I'm gonna burn myself, and I can't be doing that right now. So this is my grapefruit roasted chicken. It's good stuff. I'm about to post this recipe on my blog soon. You've got to make it. You've got to make it.